Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll walk you through how to create a V2Ray VMess server account and set it up on Dark Tunnel VPN for a secure and fast internet connection. In today's digital age, online security and privacy are more important than ever. While many VPNs claim to offer the best protection, the reality is often different. Some VPNs come with pre-configured settings, but Dark Tunnel VPN allows you to customize your setup for enhanced security. Before we get started, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video for more VPN updates and hidden tricks. Now, let's get started. First, open any web browser on your device. In the search bar, type UDP Custom and press Enter. You'll see a list of search results. Click on the official UDP Custom website. Once you're on the UDP Custom homepage, look for the menu icon. This is usually 3 horizontal lines in the top corner of the page. Click on it to reveal the options. Now select V2Ray Slow DNS Server from the list. This feature allows you to create a V2Ray server that supports slow DNS for better connectivity. Clicking on it will take you to the server location selection page. Next, choose a server location based on your preference. After selecting the location, you'll be redirected to the account creation page. Here's what you need to do. Enter a username. Solve the CAPTCHA to verify you're not a robot. Click Create Now. Within seconds, your V2Ray VMess server details will be generated and displayed on the screen. Make sure to copy or save these details as we'll use them in the next step. Now let's move on to setting up Dark Tunnel VPN. Download and install Dark Tunnel VPN. 1. Open the Google Play Store on your mobile device. 2. In the search bar, type Dark Tunnel VPN and hit Enter. 3. Look for the Dark Tunnel VPN app in the search results and click on it. 4. Tap the Install button to download and install the app. 5. Once the installation is complete, click Open to launch the app. Import and connect to your V2Ray VMess server. 1. On the Dark Tunnel VPN home screen, click on the 3 dots in the upper right corner to open the menu. 2. Select Config File, and then click Import. 3. Choose the clipboard option to paste your copied server details. 4. Your V2Ray VMess server details will be imported successfully within seconds. 5. Once the data is added, go back to the home screen and click the Connect button. After a few seconds, your V2Ray VMess server will connect successfully, giving you a secure and fast-speed internet connection. That's it! You've successfully created and set up your V2Ray VMess server on Dark Tunnel VPN. If you found this tutorial